Here are some amazing facts about the gray tree frog. Species name: the gray tree frog is known scientifically as Hyla versicolor and Hyla chrysoscelis. Common name: it is often called the eastern gray tree frog or simply the gray tree frog. Appearance: gray tree frogs have a rough, warty skin texture. Color change: they can change their skin color to various shades of gray, green, or brown to blend in with their environment. Size: adult gray tree frogs typically range from 1.25 to 2 inches 3.2 to 5.1 centimeters in length. Toe pads: they have large, sticky toe pads that help them climb trees and other surfaces. Call: the males have a distinctive, musical trill that they use to attract females during mating season. Range: they are native to North America, found in the eastern United States and southeastern Canada. Habitat: gray tree frogs are commonly found in wooded areas near water sources such as ponds, swamps, and streams. Camouflage: their ability to change color makes them excellent at camouflage, which helps them avoid predators. Diet: their diet primarily consists of insects, including moths, crickets, and flies. Nocturnal: they are mostly active at night, hunting for food and avoiding daytime predators. Hibernation: in colder climates, gray tree frogs hibernate during the winter months. Freeze tolerance: they can survive being frozen during winter by producing a special antifreeze chemical in their bodies. Reproduction: breeding typically occurs in late spring to early summer. Egg laying: females lay their eggs in small clusters attached to vegetation in shallow water. Tadpole stage: the eggs hatch into tadpoles, which eventually develop into adult frogs. Lifespan: in the wild, they can live up to 7 to 9 years. Predators: their natural predators include snakes, birds, and larger frogs. Defense mechanism: when threatened, gray tree frogs can secrete a toxic substance from their skin. Climbing ability: they are excellent climbers and can easily navigate vertical surfaces. Vocal sac: males have a large vocal sac that inflates when they call. Chorus frog: during breeding season, multiple males call together, creating a chorus that can be heard from a distance. Variation in call: the call of Hyla versicolor is slower and more musical compared to Hyla chrysoscelis. Genetic differences: Hyla versicolor and Hyla chrysoscelis are nearly identical in appearance but are different species due to their chromosome count. Chromosome count: Hyla versicolor is a tetraploid with 4 sets of chromosomes, while Hyla chrysoscelis is a diploid with 2 sets. Tree dwelling: as arboreal amphibians, they spend most of their time in trees and shrubs. Moist skin: like other amphibians, gray tree frogs have moist skin that aids in respiration. Metamorphosis: tadpoles undergo metamorphosis, developing legs and losing their tails as they become adult frogs. Seasonal behavior: they are most active during the warmer months and less active in colder periods. Territorial: male gray tree frogs can be territorial, especially during breeding season. Egg clusters: a single female can lay up to 2,000 eggs in a season. Tadpole diet: tadpoles are herbivorous and feed on algae and plant matter. Call response: females are attracted to the loudest and most frequent calls from males. Sensitive skin: their skin is sensitive to pollutants and changes in water quality. Environmental indicators: gray tree frogs are considered bioindicators, meaning their presence and health can reflect the condition of their environment. Mimicry: some gray tree frogs can mimic the sound of other frog species. Egg development: eggs typically hatch within 3 to 7 days, depending on water temperature. Tadpole transformation: tadpoles generally transform into froglets within 40 to 60 days. Froglet appearance: Newly transformed froglets are usually green and gradually change color as they mature. Locomotion, they are capable of leaping long distances relative to their body size. Temperature regulation, they are ectothermic and rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. Rain activity, gray tree frogs are more active during rainy weather. Call frequency, the frequency and pitch of their calls can vary with temperature and humidity. Conservation status, gray tree frogs are listed as a species of least concern by the IUCN. Hybridization, in some areas, Hyla versicolor and Hyla chrysoscelis can hybridize, creating individuals with characteristics of both species. Acoustic communication, their calls are a primary means of communication and play a crucial role in their social behavior. Vision, they have good night vision, which helps them hunt in the dark. Estivation, in extremely hot and dry conditions, gray tree frogs can enter a state of dormancy called estivation. Predator avoidance, they remain motionless to avoid detection when predators are near. Arboreal adaptation, their body structure and toe pads are specifically adapted for life in the trees. Eye color, they have golden or copper-colored eyes with horizontal pupils.